What's up, guys? Welcome back to Killing It with Keto. I'm Andrea. I wanted to bring an update to you guys over the last week. I did a lot better this week. I'm back in ketosis. Exciting. But today I wanted to talk to you guys about the fact that, I was using exogenous ketones and I found out that they may or may not be helping me. We'll figure this out together. I promise. Exogenous ketones come in all different forms, but what you're looking for if you want to use them is something called BHB salts. If you look on Amazon, they're all over Amazon, and there's so many different brands, and I will link the brand that I use down in the description below. So I watched a few videos, I did a lot of research on exogenous ketones, and I found out that a lot of people think that exogenous ketones are bad for you. Why? They don't make that clear. But the one thing they do say is that if you are putting exogenous ketones, and exogenous just means that it came from an outside source. Endogenous, the opposite, means you made it inside your body. So endogenous ketones are made in your body. Exogenous ketones come from the outside. They're the BHB salts. Well, they say if you are using exogenous ketones, your body thinks that it doesn't have to make the ketones and it kind of hinders your ketosis. But since you've already put those outside ketones in your body, your blood levels, your pee sticks, they're all going to show you falsely that you're in ketosis when you might not be. So if you are using the exogenous ketones like I had previously thought you should, maybe hold off a few days, or really if you hold off just for a few hours and pee on a pee stick or check your blood levels, it'll tell you then whether or not you are in ketosis or not naturally. Now, here's the deal. There are times when you should in fact use these exogenous ketones. In the beginning, when you're first starting out on ketosis, you do want to use exogenous ketones. Why? Because it will get your body used to burning ketones, burning your, being in that fat burning state for that time that you actually are in natural ketosis. Because sometimes people, it takes a couple weeks to get into natural ketosis, and once you are in that state, your body doesn't know what to do with those ketones. It doesn't know whether to burn them or not. And if you have already at the beginning of your ketone diet, if you have been using those exogenous ketones, once you start making the natural ones, your body knows exactly what to do with them, knows to burn them, and knows how. Remembers how. So there's one other time when you want to use them. Yeah. When you have cheated. When you have had that alcohol, you girls know what I'm talking about. When you've had that alcohol, or you broke down and you had some carbs that went over your carb limit for the day, or you had some M&Ms, like y'all know I do. When you do that kind of stuff, if you have like a hangover from alcohol or a hangover from carbs, both can happen. If you've got a hangover, girl, use those exogenous ketones. They'll get your body back into the ketosis state. Whether it's false or not, it's getting back in the ketosis state. And it makes your body feel better, and it gives you that energy that you need to get through your day. It makes you feel a whole lot better. I've heard of a lot of people say to do so many weird things for a hangover, like even to drink alcohol again, like a Bloody Mary for a hangover. Why the hell would you do that? Why would you put that shit back in your body? Anyway, don't do that. just get you some exogenous ketones to keep when you're not feeling good. If you get sick, use the exogenous ketones. It'll boost your body's immune system at the same time. So it'll make you feel better. When you have a hangover, it will make you feel better. I promise. So overall, like I said, there's times when you want to use the exogenous ketones and times when you don't. I would say use them for a couple weeks in the beginning of your keto diet and then slowly stop using them, and make sure you're in ketosis by the time you stop using them, and get you a good pre-workout drink to substitute the energy that it was giving you, because that was my problem. Like, I wanted that energy that they were giving me. When you actually get into ketosis, you have that energy naturally because you have the ketones already in you. You don't really need an outside source of energy unless you just really, really want that boost. And then maybe you could have some black coffee or the exogenous ketones in the morning or something. But yeah, just try not to take them once you're in ketosis. Try to do a pre-workout that has got some caffeine or just some good B vitamins in it, to give you that energy that you were getting from the exogenous ketones. But like I said, there are the times when we need them, so do keep them around, because we all are going to fail at some point. We all are going to give in at some point. We're going to have cheat days, But that's it, guys. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. I'm still at 10 pounds, no difference, no change. But I do have that video coming for you guys of how you can lose 2 inches off of your belly and 3 pounds overnight. So stay tuned for that video. Otherwise, please do subscribe. Hit that bell beside the subscribe button so that you can get really good, cheap, easy, delicious recipes sent to your inbox every single week. And keep up with our weight loss journey. Make sure you check us out on the social media as well. We post little teasers about what our next video is going to be about on there. There's some behind the scenes exclusives, some funny stuff on our social media. So do go check that out on Facebook and on Instagram. And we will see you guys next week for another great recipe.